Marvel?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! It's your birthday today!
It's your birthday!
Marvel, let's get you some toys today. And then we'll go out to the doggy park today.
Got some toys.
Yes, I did.
There are new toys. And we will get the beautiful.
And then we'll go out for a ride. Wow.
And then do you want to go to the doggy park?
And then mommy's gonna get you a cupcake today. A cupcake? Yay! Are you excited? Are you excited, Marvel? It's your 4-year birthday. Are you gonna leave the bed or no?
Oh yeah, but
Alright guys, welcome back, and I've been trying to wake him up for like 30 minutes, but he is just lying down there. Even Marvel went and tried to wake him up. I was like, let's start the day. It's beautiful outside. People are moving or moving out or moving in, I don't know. And then we gotta start our day. It's Marvel's birthday today.
And we are back from the Marvel's walk, basically. And I'm gonna remove the tags from his toys while Tanya cleans him up. That's a task because otherwise he will just eat all the tags.
Ready, huh? आ सकते हो जब भी आना है. Yes, why are you crying? I know Daddy's in that room. Wow, what does Daddy have? Come here. Marvel, come here.
what is it?
Marvel, come here.
What is it?
Come on.
What is it? So many toys.
Oh my God.
Which one do you want?
For your birthday.
You like that one?
Do you like the ducky?
Is that a new toy?
Is that a new toy? Wow, Marvel, look over here. So many toys in the basket.
What do you like next?
Wow, what is that?
What is that?
Are you excited?
And what is this one? Uh-oh, you find the pumpkin. You find the pumpkin with the devils? Pumpkin with the devils?
Marvel, look at the pumpkin.
See?
Wow, what is that? Oh, you took the devil out.
Mama, what is that? See, inside? See? What is that?
He's taking all the toys to his bed. But he likes ducky best, I guess, for now.
What is this?
Oh, there's a hen. Oh, no, not a hen. What is that?
Yeah.
What's a maid? Yeah, rooster.
What is this? What is Rooster doing? What
Ooh.
is Rooster doing to you? Basketball?
You like to play basketball, Marvel?
Marvel, see? Basketball? Woo!
Woo!
And then there's your
God! Look at all the toys, Marvel!
And then there's this and this.
Wow! The bag is empty.
There's nothing in there.
There's nothing, it's empty.
Where's your toy? Which toy do you like? Which one?
He doesn't know what to play.
Yeah.
What he wanna play with. He's so confused.
Yes! They are all your toys.
Give it to me. Give. Give. Is that a rooster you're playing with? You tore up his ass.
Marvel, you tore Rooster's ass? And the rooster became hen, you took his things off his head. Gucci! What? Look at that face.
So Tanya is making a bagel sandwich because I need some energy to take him to a dog park. And I need a lot of strength to hold him. It's Asiago cheese bagel with American cheese, some cream cheese on the bottom, some onions and tomatoes because we are out of cucumbers.
Yeah.
And then there it goes. And then there is some, what do you have in here?
Dragon fruit and kiwi with some honey.
Okay, so there is some dragon fruit and kiwi with some honey in there. And there is some grass in, if there is a grass or anything green, that's Tanya's. Always remember. If I come to your place, do not give me this.
This is the best.
So we are ready to take Marvel outside. Marvel, you ready? Marvel. He's looking outside to go to the car actually. Marvel. Marvel, you ready to go to the doggy park? Yes. Yes. Alright, we are ready to go to the doggy park. So let's go. Fine, we are going. You go to pee-pee, okay? Wait. 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 Wait, okay? Come here, do the pee-pee. Marvel, see? Over here, come here. Good boy, do the pee-pee. Do the pee-pee first. Good boy. Get in. You ready to go? Where are we going? Are we going to the doggy park?
Yeah.
Wow, are we going to the doggy park? Alright guys, so while we are driving to dog park for Marvel, you guys enjoy a little trip down the memory lane. We'll see you when we are at the dog park.
Can't believe I'm catching feelings. I hate it when we out and I see him texting you. Damn, I feel like a fool. But I know it ain't fair cause I don't belong to you. No, no, girl, but no, you would never mind to lose. Can't believe I didn't think it through. Damn it, I should've known. Gotta stop playing with you. Cause I'm catching feelings like you gotta be.
We are here and he is taking a walk in the park there. This is the dog park.
Can't believe I'm catching feelings. Wish I could walk away now, but I just don't know how.
You found your friend? You found so many friends.
Girl, I wish I could walk away now, but it's much too late now. Feelings getting away. Feelings getting
It's okay. Marvel.
Can't believe I'm catching feelings. Can't believe I'm catching feelings. Can't believe I'm catching feelings. Wish I could walk away now, but I just don't know how. These feelings keep getting in the way, Girl, I wish I could walk away now, but it's much too late now. Feelings get in the way.
Wanna go home now? Come on, let's go home. Go boy.
Can't believe I'm catching feelings.
Alright, you ready to go home? Ready to go home?
Super tired.
Oh boy, it's super hot. He's all tired now. Done for the day. We are back. It is 100 degrees outside. And look at him. He is so tired. So now Marvel is gonna relax at home. And we have to go out and get the car washed. So we're gonna take the stuff out of the car and then go for a car wash. Look at the condition of the car here. Because after Marvel's ride, when he gets tired, he drools so much. Look at this. So that is why we have been waiting to get the car wash. What happened to my hair? We are done with all our work finally. The car is shining again, so we just came back. Marv wants some treat. He's taking advantage of getting too much treat today.
Yeah.
And I guess we are gonna take shower, relax, eat, and see you guys later. Alright, Tanya is trying to make a cake
Nice.
for Marvel, and we don't give him anything with flour and stuff, so that's why she's just trying to make with what we give him
food,
for
yeah. Make it
dinner.
nice and pretty.
Looks like a 2-tier cake to me with some pumpkin frosting.
I'm gonna make it gourmet, so just hold on. Some flaxseed. A little bit of turmeric, which I'm not gonna show. I'm gonna. Woo! No! Let me pick it up.
Hi, Marvel. Mommy's bringing your birthday cake.
Stay. Marvel, stay.
Marvel, no.
Stay. Marvel.
Marvel,
stay.
sit.
Stay. Stay.
Stay.
Stay. Stay.
Wait, hold
Marvel.
on.
Stay. 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 Marvel, stay.
Marvel.
Stay.
Marvel.
Stay.
Happy birthday to you. Eat. Happy
Baby, eat it. Aw, my beautiful baby. Sorry you had to wait, but we need to take a picture of you, right? You just ate up the whole food.
Your cakes are gone.
Yep.
In 30 seconds. Alright guys, so I hope you guys had a blast watching this vlog where Marvel enjoyed all day.
He enjoyed so much, and with him, we too, that we literally passed out in the afternoon.
Yeah, all three of us were just
Yeah.
passed out over here for some time. That's why we are seeing you guys in the evening, where we just gave him his little cake. He enjoyed that cake, and now we are taking him for a walk. So I think this is gonna be it for his birthday vlog, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.